In this episode, we're going to talk about type on a path. I'm going to show you a few different options and how to adjust the type on the path. Okay, let's start with something really simple. I select the paintbrush tool with the B on my keyboard, and I'm just going to draw a simple line. Nothing fancy. And I'm going to do the same with the curvature tool. Just a simple line, something like this. And let's make some round shapes. The L on my keyboard to select the ellipse tool, shift to make a circle, and selection tool, and I use the Alt to copy my shape. If this is going too fast for you, look at my other episodes about using the curvature tool, the paintbrush tool, and using the shape builder tool. Select both, Shift M for the shape builder tool, or of course in the menu. And with Alt, I can delete everything outside of this shape. Go back to the selection tool and pull it up a little. Maybe make it, no, leave it like that. And just one more, go to the M for the rectangle tool, make a rectangle, go into the selection tool with the V on my keyboard, hold your Alt or Option key to copy your shape, select them both, Shift M for the shape builder tool, and the Alt or Option key to get the minus and delete parts. Okay, so we have some different shapes. These two are open shapes and these two are closed shapes. So let's go. You have the type tool, you have a shortcut key, the T, but you can't use it now because you need the type on a path tool. If you like, you can open this area or this panel by clicking on this little, I'm still holding my mouse, opening it up by clicking on it. So I will do it again. Hold, click and hold, then go here till it turns a little darker and then release your mouse and it will take out this little menu. And the type on the path is over here, it's the third image, third icon. I click it, and as soon as I go to the path and I click, from the point where I click it will make a text with the standard Lorem Ipsum. So I do Command C to undo. If I click at the start, I just clicked here in the middle. If I click at the start, it will start from here. So if you accidentally did it in the wrong place or you want to change it later, that's possible. So I leave it for now. I will show you in a minute. I will just change the text. Type on a path. And escape to go out of edit mode, just with like the normal type tool. And now you can see we have three handles, one in the middle, one on the right, and one on the left. And if you click the left one, you can push your text to another space. And this is the beginning where your type on a path is starting. And this, of course, is the end. And you will see, I will go through. If you go too far, there will be a plus here, and that's telling you there is more text than there is to be displayed. You can change that by dragging those handles over here, or you can change your size of your font. So make it smaller till it's inside. Okay. In the middle is also one, and with the middle part you can just change, move your whole text with the beginning and the ending. And as you can see over here, because of the curve, the text can't be displayed correctly. So you can change it a little bit or make it smaller, like I said before. Okay, these other shapes are the same. You can do it on any shape, any path. So click on the path. Where I clicked, it will make the text. Let's make it Illustrator Snippets, episode 43. Type on a path. Now I have too much text. Escape to go out of edit mode. And I want to change the start point. Like this. And I want it to be a little bit more to the beginning. And I want this to fit completely. Okay. One other thing, I will just show you on those two paths, but one thing I want to show you first. If you take this handle and you flip it over to this side, it will flip the text to the other side of the path. So take this one, take it here. And if you don't want it to do that, hold your Command or Control key and it won't flip over. So if it's annoy you, when it's annoying and it happens all the time and you don't want it, you can hold your Command or Control key on a PC, and when you are moving it around, you see I can go here, but it won't flip. And if I lose it, the Control key or the Command key, it will flip. So if you don't want it to flip, hold the Command or the Control key. Okay, just for fun, let's put the text on. I will double click this to edit the text, Command A to select all my text, Command C to copy it, Escape, type on a path, and I will just click somewhere over here and paste in my text. And as you can see, it will go around just where I put it. And this is my end point. So the end and the beginning, I will do Command C so I can show you. Here are two of those handles and this is the middle part. So you have the start and the end handle over here. So if I don't want it to go further, I want it over here. And I make it smaller. So it's all here. The plus is away, so all the text is here. And also with this one, I can take the middle one and flip it over to the other side of the path. Okay, remember one more thing. If you use a type on a path, as you can see, my shape is still here, but there's no stroke, no fill. There was a black stroke and no fill. Let me see, there was, no fill. And here it says a black fill, but that's for the text. So you can change the color and it will change your text color. So your shape is still there, but you can't work with the shape anymore. So if you need the shape to be visible, I would suggest you copy the shape first. Let's do that over here. Let's make this one a more color, we can see it better. And we just give it a stroke just to see what happened. What's happening, make the stroke a little bigger. Just like this. We have the shape. As soon as I do type on a path, it's gone. So Command C to undo. And what I would do is Command C to copy my shape, select it first of course, Command C. And instead of Command V or Control of course, you can use another key, but I show you here first. Paste in front. So not Command V, but Command F. What it will do, it will copy the shape exactly on top of the other one. So you will have a shape, and if I do Command V, it will paste it in the middle of the artboard. And you don't want that. You want it exactly on top of your shape. Now I have two shapes, and if I use my type on a path tool, it will take the top shape now and apply the text. And you can see, I will paste my text. Oh, I pasted now the shape in text, so I need to go. I have an app where I can save all my text I copied, so I copied it in. Escape to go out, and as you can see again, because the shape was closed, we have the open, the start and the end part next to each other. So I need to change that. Let's see. Maybe I need to on here and I make it smaller because I only want it to be on that part of my shape, like this. And now I have the text on the path and I still have the fill and stroke visible. But that's because I copied the shape. So I have two different shapes. Look in the layers panel and you can see I have a path here and I have the Illustrator text over here. So there are two different parts. So I can select this and take it away. So if I don't want it, I need to group this. I need to group to keep it together. So that's an extra bonus tip for this one, but type on a tool is quite easy to use, but remember that it will get rid of the stroke and fill you applied to your shape. So if you need that, copy the shape and apply the type on a path on the second shape, the top shape. Okay, I hope this was helpful for you. If you have any questions or requests, let me know in the comments and see you in the next.